Well, once again, it is the start of a new week. And unfortunately for my mudlarking this week, this may be the only chance I get out because I am going to be away all week. And where we are going is not so much mudlarking friendly. So we'll see what kind of video I can put together today and little drips and drabs of our vacation location. And as of right now, based on all this muck in the water, you can tell there's not been a lot of tidal movement because all the moss and algae gets a chance to grow. But we are at low tide, and I am going to probably do some digging today. So let's see what we got. Well, I threw a Hail Mary up and hoping that I hit the right spot. I see a few bottles starting to come out, so I may be onto something in this little section. I'm gonna do a little more digging. So far, I did pull a couple bottles out of there. I got one more big one coming out. Now, again, nothing super old, but I almost mistaken this for a bottle stopper. And I believe that is going to be the head of a little boy with a really cool hat on. There he is. So that's a good sign for this section. Where's your brothers and sisters? Are you in there? Pulling out a few pieces here and there, nothing phenomenal. A couple things to take home and clean up. I just got a nice old cork top perfume with a little cutout there that may have had a sticker on it or a label. But I like that piece. I have a nice collection of tiny perfumes. That's going to join them. I'm on to this section. Yep, I know it's broken. It's got a beautiful design there. So I have to take it home. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. It's going to find its spot somewhere in my house. But not until I take a few pictures of it. I just picked up this brooch looking pin type thing. It looks brass, so it was a little old. Yeah. Here at the edge of the beach. Well, maybe I finally found an older spot because we got the first weedy. I don't know if you can see a date on that or not. Looks like 1951. Well, it's kind of strange. All the way from Key Largo, Florida, I am voice-overing my brother's volume here just because it was too windy. It seems like he's got a silver dime here, and it seems we're searching for the date. I'm seeing somewhere around 1960 or 1961, silver dime. Well, wouldn't you know it, right after the possible silver dime, may have pulled up a silver quarter. Come on, focus in. Don't know. trying to get the date right there. 1942. Let's see if we can. Yep, 1942. Right next to the Rosie dime.